Okay, today I would like to talk to you about the technique that we use to hold our sticks, and it's called match grip. It's very similar to what we call German grip, but match grip is going to be squeezing with the thumb and first finger. So if you're using the Vic Firth sticks, they have a flag on the stick, and that's where I'd like to think of placing my thumb. So I have my thumb and my first finger, okay? And that's the squeezing point, much like a teeter-totter on a playground, okay? So right from there, I'm going to squeeze the stick, and I'm going to move my wrist, and my fingers are going to be connected with the stick, but it's going to be nice and loose, okay? So the stroke is going to be just down and up, and I'm moving my wrist, okay? And that's a nice, even technique, okay? Now we do the same thing with our left hand. We mirror the right hand with the left hand. So we squeeze with the thumb and first finger, right where the flag is of the stick, and we're moving the wrist, okay? Now if you don't have a flag on your stick, you can think of about 1 inch to 1.5 inches from the back end of the stick. And when you have the technique down and you've practiced a lot, you'll be able to play stuff like this.